If you're looking for a fast and effective way to make sense of your data on Monday.com, whether that's sales numbers, project progress, or team workloads, today's tutorial is all about creating beautiful pivot tables and visualizing your data using the built-in chart view. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your raw information into actionable insights that are both clear and compelling. Let's dive right in. First up, we'll add the chart view to the board that holds the data you want to explore. Go ahead and navigate to the specific Monday.com board. Maybe it's your sales tracker, your content calendar, or your project management dashboard. You'll notice at the top left corner there's a plus add view button. Click that. This is your gateway to all sorts of ways to see your data differently. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. Instantly, Monday.com generates an initial visualization based on your current data, usually a basic bar chart. Don't worry if it looks a bit generic at first, we're about to make it truly yours. Now let's talk about customizing and configuring your chart. Look for the Settings menu in Monday.com. It usually appears as a little gear icon or 3 dots in the corner of your chart panel. Clicking on this opens up all the ways you can tailor your chart. Start with the chart type. Here, where you decide the best way to tell your data's story. A bar chart for easy comparison, a pie chart for percentages, a line chart to track changes over time, or a scatter plot if you want to see relationships between two variables. For example, if you're tracking monthly expenses, a line chart can reveal trends at a glance, while a pie chart might show how your budget slices up by category. Next, define the x-axis. This is all about grouping your data. Think of it as the who or what behind your numbers. Click to select a column like status if you want to see how many tasks are in progress versus completed, or choose owner to spot which team members are handling the most work, or maybe month to view progress over time. This grouping is key because it transforms your flat list into a meaningful breakdown, almost like sorting your laundry into neat piles before folding. Then, move on to the y-axis. Here you decide what your chart is actually calculating. Are you counting the total number of items, averaging the time spent on a task, summing up a budget field? Just select the relevant column and function. For instance, if you want to know how much budget was spent per project manager, you'd choose owner for the x-axis and sum of budget for the y-axis. This will instantly show you the totals by person, super handy for resource planning or stakeholder reports. To unlock even more insights, try coloring your chart segments by an additional dimension. Maybe you color bars by priority so you can see at a glance which team member is loaded up with high-priority work. This layer of color coding is optional, but it can really make patterns pop visually, especially when presenting to your team or management. And don't forget about filtering and sorting. If you're swimming in data, sometimes you only want to see, say, completed tasks from last month. Click the filter button, select your criteria, and your chart instantly refines. No more noise, just the info you need. Take your time with these settings. It might require a few tweaks to get the view just right for your goals. If it looks odd at first, don't worry, just try a different chart type or grouping and watch the data transform. The beauty of Monday.com's chart view is how flexible and forgiving it is. That's the full process. With your chart configured, you can now visualize trends, spot bottlenecks, and share insights with your team faster than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using data visualization in Monday.com, drop those in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials on boosting your productivity with Monday.com and other great tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.